Looking good, Sammy.
Her outfit matches.
Yeah. Sammy, you look great.
Want me to turn it?
Yay, Sammy.
Hey, Sam. Want me to pull her up a little bit?
Yeah, pull her up.
Oh, funny. Okay. Okay. All right. Good girl. You're moving it all on your own, honey. Here we go. Arms out. Good girl.
Yay, Sammy.
Good girl. What do you think, honey? Here, let's get this arm out here. Here.
Good girl, Sammy. Here we go, Sammy.
Ooh, look at this.
Yay, you did a little jump.
What do you think, sweetheart? Hi. What you doing? What a big girl. Want to move her? Oh. Where you going, Pumpkin? Where you going? Here we go. Here we go.
Yay. Hi, Sam. Looking good, Sammy. Yay, Sammy. Yay.
I wish it could, if we could just